everyone, this is your boss Mom V, and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and make money online tips. So, if you're interested with this topic, just keep on watching. Are you a stay-at-home mom like me and you're looking for opportunities to make money while online and taking care of your kids? Well, alam mo ba, ang pagiging isang virtual assistant or freelancer is one of your choice para kumita ka kahit na nasa bahay ka lang. As a general virtual assistant offering services to clients. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some easy freelancing jobs that you can do even if you are a beginner or a newbie in freelancing. So if ready ka na, then let's dive in. So the number one that you can offer to clients as a beginner virtual assistant is data entry. This one is an easy task. Ang gagawin mo lang is tutulungan mo lang si client sa mga data entry tasks niya like copy and pasting, basic encoding, typing, doing screenshots. Kung meron siyang mga Excel file or sheets, Google Sheets, is you will just input some data dun sa Excel sheets niya. So kung ano yung mga tasks na i-offer sa'yo ni client para tulungan mo siya doon. So basically, wala na kasing time yung mga business owners or yung clients na gawin to. These are repetitive tasks and ito yung magkukonsume ng time sa kanila. So instead of consuming their time doing this repetitive task is that ina-outsource na lang ito nila sa kanilang virtual assistant. So you don't need to be an expert naman or kailangan magaling ka na dito because this is just a basic task. And actually, I already have a video tutorial about it. Check mo siya sa ating YouTube channel. Meron akong specific na video tutorial about data entry. And you as a stay-at-home mom, kayang-kaya mong gawin to. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert. So, yep, that's the number one easy freelancing jobs that you can try. Next easy freelancing jobs that you can offer to clients as their general virtual assistant is internet research. So sa internet research, are just basically conducting research on various topics, specific topics, gathering information. These things are just basic tasks and you don't need a specialized skills to offer this one because yung task itself is straightforward. Kung ikaw ay marunong mag-Google, marunong mag-YouTube, marunong mag-search sa any platform, then you are basically doing an internet research. And kung marunong ka niyan, ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya mo ring maging isang virtual assistant offering internet research to client. So, basically, yung client or yung business owner, meron lang siyang ipapahanap sa'yo online. Kailangan gawin mo is i-gather mo information. So, depende sa client mo kung ano yung type ng industry niya or yung business niya and kung ano yung type ng mga topics or subjects ang ipapahanap niya sa'yo online. So, meron din silang mga tools na pwede mong gamitin, hindi lang yung Google, hindi lang yung Microsoft. Meron silang mga tools or CRM na tinatawag for you to do research for them. So, depende yan sa client, no? So, kung ano yung client mo. Of course, marami kasi, iba-iba kasi yung industry or yung nature ng client. So, it really depends. Meron kang client na under e-commerce. So, ang task mo is basically product research. Meron kang client na digital marketer. So, marketing research. So, depende yon sa kung ano yung nature ng business ng client and ano yung specific task na ipapagawa niya sa'yo. So, basically, kung marunong kang mag-Google, kung marunong kang mag-research about anything na topic, is yan na yung skill na pwede mong i-offer sa client as their virtual assistant. And as you can see, very basic yung task at hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert to do this and offer this to client. Next easy freelancing jobs that you can offer to client as a virtual assistant is email management. So email management is basically you are managing the emails or inbox of your client. So sa sobrang busy ni client, no? Si client ay isang business owner and sa sobrang busy niya, wala na siyang time para i-check pa yung kanyang mga emails. And you, as a virtual assistant, tutulungan mo si client para i-manage to. So, basic task lang naman yung gagawin mo sa email management. Like, mag-reply ka lang, sending of emails, i-filter out mo yung mga emails, mag-delete ka, mag-archive ng emails, magpuput ng labels, i-regroup mo yung mga emails na according to their urgency, like yung mga urgent matters, is lay-labelan mo or lalagyan mo ng mark so that sasabihin mo na lang na kay client, ito yung mga very important or urgent emails that you need to look into. So, as a virtual assistant, hindi mo naman kailangan very expert ka dito because these are just basic tasks. If marunong kang gumamit ng sarili mong email like Gmail, pwede ka na mag-practice doon. In fact, meron na akong video tutorial about email management. I-check mo na lang siya dito sa ating YouTube channel. And doon is, pinakita ko na yung mga basic na tricks or basic tips sa email management. So, check mo na lang. So, here, wala nang time si client para i-check yung emails niya. And gagawin mo lang is, ima-manage mo yung emails. And these things are just basic tasks. And hindi mo kailangan maging expert about it. So, naalala ko nga, ang very first na VA task ko sa isang client, he is a Canadian. And ang ginagawa ko lang at that time is, i-schedule ko lang yung emails niya. So, para siyang email blasting, ang gamit namin is Gmail, meron lang dong tool or app dun sa Gmail niya na kung saan i-schedule ko yung emails, then magsisend na siya to 50 to 100 email addresses. And ginagawa ko lang siya less than 15 minutes once a week. And my first payment that time is $50 for just less than 5 minutes of work per week. So once a week lang siya and I get $50 for that. So dun ako nagkaroon ng idea na kung magkakaroon pala ako ng mga multiple clients and doing the basic tasks such as this email management or email scheduling is that merong potential income here and it's part-time lang and I'm getting paid na in dollars. Next easy freelancing jobs that you can offer as a virtual assistant is community management for social media like yung Facebook group. So sa community management is basically you're just managing yung Facebook groups ng client mo or any social media platform niya. So si client, very busy siya and meron siyang large followers or large number of followings. So, marami siyang members dun sa kanyang Facebook groups. You, as a virtual assistant, ang gagawin mo lang is i-maintain or i-organize yung kanyang Facebook group. So, wala na siya kasing time mag-check ng mga each comment, each post ng mga members, mag-approve, and stuff like that. So, as a virtual assistant, basically, ang task mo lang naman is i-approve yung mga members, approve yung post nila or i-decline yung mga post nila. Pwede ka rin mag-engage dun sa kanyang mga followers or members ng group, like magre-reply ka dun sa mga comments or posts nila. I-kick out or i-block mo yung mga unwanted members, yung mga nagpo-promote lang, nag-spamming lang. So, i-kick out mo sila. What else? So, ano pa ba? Yung turning off the comment section. So, pag mahaba na masyado yung thread sa isang specific post, ang gagawin mo lang is to-turn off mo yung comment section. So, hindi na siya hahaba. And minsan din, may ipapa-post sa'yo si client ng mga contents. For example, announcement dun sa group niya is that gagawin mo yun is ikaw na yung magpo-post on behalf of the client since wala na siyang time. So, as you can see, very basic yung task. At kung marunong kang mag-Facebook, specifically if active ka sa mga Facebook groups, dun sa mga Facebook groups na yun is may admin na tinatawag, no? So, you as a virtual assistant, ikaw yung admin ng client. So, i-maintain mo lang, i-organize mo lang yung Facebook group na yun na meron na siyang large number of followers. And, yeah, you don't need the specialized skills for that because madali lang naman yung task. At kaya mong gawin, especially if maalam ka naman or alam mo na yung mga Facebook groups since active ka rin naman sa mga groups ng iba. So, might as well offer this service to clients because the clients, they don't have time na for this, no? Para i-check pa isa-isa yung mga postings or ganap dun sa kanyang Facebook group. And ang gagawin mo na lang is i-report kay client yung mga updates about sa group and stuff like that. Okay, so last easy freelancing jobs that you can offer to client is social media scheduling. So this one, you don't need to be creative because yung contents or yung post naman is manggagaling na kay client. Ang gagawin mo lang is schedule mo yung content na yon or yung social media post na yon. For example, sa Facebook niya or sa Instagram niya. So, meron na siyang nakaprepare na content. Ang gagawin mo na lang i-schedule mo yon sa Facebook niya or sa Instagram page niya. So here, basically, is that meron naman niyang specific na instruction si client sa'yo. So sa Facebook, particularly sa Meta Business Suite, is that nandoon naman na yung mismong tool para i-schedule. So, kunyari, sasabihin sa'yo ni client or instruct ka ni client na please schedule the post 8 p.m. on Tuesday, 9 p.m. on Wednesday, 7 p.m. on Thursday, and stuff like that. So, bibigyan ka niya ng specific instructions para sa date and time mismo nung pag-schedule ng content or ng post. Pwede ka rin mag-schedule ng stories, yung live session niya, ano pa ba? Reels. So, yung Reels ngayon is one of, yung parang nag-trending na ngayon. Hindi na tayo, ma-picture ngayon is ma-videos na rin or ma-Reels. So, as you can see, very basic yung task. Kung marunong kang mag-navigate ng social media mo like Instagram or Facebook, marunong kang mag-post, marunong kang mag-live, marunong kang gumawa ng Reels, or you can navigate the tool itself, the Facebook and Instagram itself, is yan na mismo yung skill na hinahanap ni client para i-assist mo siya to do the social media scheduling for him. And in the next slide, I will show you kung paano gamitin doon sa Facebook, particularly yung pag-schedule ng contents or ng posts on behalf of your client. So, for sure, yung iba sa inyo, alam naman na din ito, but for the beginners, no, you're totally na hindi pa nakaka-handle ng Facebook page ng client to do social media scheduling or hindi aware sa social media post scheduling, is that ituturo natin yan sa next slide. So, again, very basic yung task and hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert. Matutulungan mo na si client, i-assist siya para sa mga repetitive tasks na to since si client is very busy and wala na siyang time to do these things. So here, for example, this is the Facebook page of your client. So, i-add ka niya sa admin para meron kang access sa kanyang page. Here, pipindutin mo lang yung Meta Business Suite. And meron ditong option sa gilid na planner. I-click mo lang yan. And as you can see here, para siyang calendar planner. So, kunyari, meron content na si client. Sabi niya, i-schedule mo tong content na to on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday at 8 p.m., 7 p.m., 6 p.m. So, for example, here, on Wednesday is mag-schedule ka ng post ni client like this one. So, click lang yung schedule, mag-a-add ka ng contents here, or ilalagay mo muna yung time. Kunyari, nakasync yung Instagram usually sa Facebook page ni client. And here, kunyari sabi niya is 8 p.m. And sa Instagram, 8 p.m. din, para sync na lang sila. And then, you can save it. And yan, nakaschedule na siya to be posted on that specific time. And you can also have the privacy settings to public or restricted. And, yep. So here, kunyari, mayroon ng post. Like, for example, this one. Ito yung specific post na gusto niyang ma-schedule. And bibigyan ka niya dito ng contents kung ano man yan, easy. Ayan, so blah blah blah, so etc. So kung ano yung specific na requirements na ika-copy-paste mo lang yung description, for sure meron siya. And then you can click the schedule. So i-schedule niya na yung post and then you will do the same for the others. For example, Thursday naman, ayun din. Specific time, kung ano yung gusto niya, if ever 7 a.m., for example, like that. And you just click on save, and then go to the post, kung photo man yung content niya or video, for sure meron na siyang content. And here, meron kang option to post both Facebook and Instagram, or pwede rin, kung sinabi niya na Facebook lang at hindi Instagram, just unclick it, or tick the box. And yeah, that's it. It's very basic lang, and for sure naman is kayang-kaya mo itong gawin even if you're a beginner virtual assistant. And if maalam ka sa Facebook, especially meron kang Facebook page, or for example, you're an online seller, meron kang sariling Facebook page, for sure alam mo na tong content or itong planner na to, scheduling contents for your own posting. So here, ang gagawin mo lang is very basic. I-schedule mo lang literally yung content ng client mo because wala na siyang time to do these things. So that's it!
your friend, you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never